Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if Microsoft Edge is crashing when printing out documents on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Common reasons with these crashes when printing are conflicts with some extensions in Edge, Microsoft Edge fails, incorrect printer, outdated print driver, and disabled print service. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to repair Microsoft Edge. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open this Windows settings. So once you open up this Windows settings, and then next step here at left side menu, and then you need to select these apps, and on right side, and you can see here the installed apps. So click this installed apps. Under here at installed apps and search apps, and then you need to type Microsoft Edge, and automatically appear here the Microsoft Edge. So all you have to do is to click the three dot on the right side, and then click this modify. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then next step, so you will see here the repair Microsoft Edge. So repairing Microsoft Edge requires an internet connections and will reinstall the browser. Your browser data and settings won't be affected. And then next step, then you need to click this repair. And wait for downloading. Okay, so download then, alright? And then installing Microsoft Edge, so we will wait again. Alright, so installing and downloading are complete in our Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, so once it's done, and then next solutions that we will do is to disable all extensions in Microsoft Edge. Alright, so here at Microsoft Edge browser, on how to disable all extensions, and then at the top right corner, you can see here the three dots. So click, and then you need to select extensions. And then next step, so you need to select or tap this manage extensions. And we will direct here at all extensions on our Microsoft Edge browser. So this from Microsoft Edge add-on store. So you can see now all my extensions on my browser. So all you have to do is to disable this all extensions. So you can see here on the right side at the button here, we need to toggle off. Toggle off. Alright, so one more, toggle off. So once you do this, all the extensions are turned off, and then close this Microsoft Edge browser. And the other solutions we will do is to run the printer troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and here at search for apps, and then you need to type this troubleshoot settings, and then click open. And then under troubleshoots, and then here at options, and then you need to select other troubleshooters. And under here at most frequent, and then you need to select printer. And on right side, and then you can see here the run. So need to tap this run. And open up here the help and support. Alright, so you can hear that run the Windows printer troubleshooters. So you can see all the step-by-step procedures and method that you need to follow. All of these methods to fix the problems. So you need to scroll down and then check all these informations, and then follow to fix the error. So once you're done here and the help and support, and then close the settings, and the other solutions we will do is to update the print driver. So all you have to do is to right click on the start menu Windows button, and then select device manager. And once you open up this device manager, and the next step that you do is to select this print queues. Alright, so you can see here the print queues, and then all you have to do is to click this sign to expand. And then here is you need to select your printer name. Alright, so we need to select our printer. So select this HP LaserJet, and then select, and then right click, and then tap update driver. In updating updates driver, so we have two options. So you can select the search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then we need to select the search automatically. So tap the settings and please wait. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. So once you do this at device manager, and then you need to close this device manager in here at the start menu, and then you need to restart your PC. Alright, so click on restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Microsoft Edge crashes when printing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.